Hey up, Flavour Chasers, and welcome back to Flavour Station. Today we are going to make
pizza fucking potato skins.
Say it again.
Pizza fucking potato skins.
And again.
Pizza pocket potato skins.
Pizza pocket potato skins. Keep it locked. Should they like and subscribe?
Definitely.
Tell them the bomber.
Like and subscribe.
Yay!
Flavour Station.
Right then, Flavour Chasers, the first thing you're going to need, obviously, is potatoes. I'm using baking potatoes and some oil. You can use any potato you like. Now, I like to use these in my oven, these bags. Grab 3 spuds. That's a portion per spud. You get 2. Lovely jubbly, similar size. Now bang them in your oven bag. This just stops your oven making a mess, because me not like them thing there. All the splashing and that all on your glass. No, that's a big no-no. Now I tell ya, this will be the best potato skins recipe you will ever need. I'm telling ya, you can have them hot, cold, on a buffet, for a starter. Kids love them, old people love them. Hot pocket, pizza pocket, whatever you call it. We've got you covered. It's lovely. It's like a jacket potato, but then it's kind of like a pizza as well. We're gonna make the tomato sauce, everything lock off. It's gonna be nice. Now just wrap them round, oil, little bit of salt and pepper. Look, boom, into the oven at what, 200?
Yep, 200 degrees C.
Yep, you heard the woman, 200 degrees C. Don't know what that is in Fahrenheit. Now we're gonna make the tomato sauce. Should we flip this round, shall we? That's better. Now what we need is
tin tomatoes, basil, shallots and garlic.
That's right, sister. So basically we're going to need a pan. We're going to chop these shallots down. You don't have to be too thorough with them. 3, 2, 1 and bang, we're chopped. We're done. See it there? Magic. Right, so move your shallots to the side. We're going to come in with the garlic.
In 3, 2, 1, bam.
Yes, terrible shot, terrible cut, but we got it. We got it in the end. Now your pan, upside down pan, that's very important. Gravity does not exist. Now your shallots and garlic into your hot pan. And
fry it up till it's nice and soft, bloody.
Bloody, baby! Softly, makey, saucy. Now it's soft, lovely. We're gonna come in with some mixed herbs. That's oregano, thyme, basil, and I believe parsley. We're just gonna mix that in, toast that off a little bit. You don't have to go too much. Now, tin tomatoes, lovely and acidic. So that, we're gonna need some sugar. What's happening here? Was it dark?
So then you're gonna need a splash of water.
Water!
A stock cube.
Veg stock cube, baby.
Tablespoon of sugar.
Sugar, cut through that acidity. You don't know the settings.
And now simmer. Simmer
away till it's nice and reduced. See it there? Simmering away, baby. Give it a stir. Give it a stir. Yeah, man. Now, this is a fantastic sauce you can use for pasta, pizzas, anything really. Italiano, baby. Let that cool down a little bit. Then...
wipe down, you dirty man.
You dirty pig. You better wipe that board. Now, fresh basil. We're just going to shred that. Put that through it. And it's just gonna, the aromatics of the basil is gonna just sing for the moment, sing for the year, sing for the heart, sing for the year. Now you've got that, lovely jubbly. Just gonna put the basil in there, add that to that. It's a beautiful, easy sauce to make, and there's no messing involved. I'd just like to take this dead zone to thank everyone for watching, and I hope you subscribe, because I need to feed my sister here who's starving. Now, Flavour Chaser oven glove, grab that. Now your spuds are done. That's about 1 hour and 15 minutes on 180. Lovely and golden. What are they?
Lovely and golden.
Lovely and golden. She's not paying attention. It's her first rodeo. Forgive her. Now, once these have cooled down, I don't wait for them to cool down because I'm a bad man with it. I can touch it. See the steam? What am I, min?
Bad man.
It's true. Now, what you want to do is cut them in half, and then we're going to scoop the middle out to make a sort of boat to carry that flavour to the promised land. You know where we're going. Now, I think my camera broke, or did my phone die? You don't actually see me scooping it out, but I do scoop it out. See it there? Nice and soft, fluffy inside. Beautiful. Look, steamy hot potato. Spuddy buddy.
So now we've got our potato skins. We're going to fill them
with the tomato sauce. See how I've scooped it out? I'm just going to demonstrate. You can use that bit for mash. It's quite sick. You could have even spiced it and put it back in. It'd be wonderful. Now you see them all hollow. Come through with the tomato sauce, and then what we do?
You like put it in and that.
Yeah, so you put it in and that. Yeah, and then you just sort of, you want cheese on top and then it all melts. This is the pizza aspect of it. This is the good man. Lovely snack. Healthy too, to be fair.
Unless you're lactose intolerant.
Then you could use a dairy-free or lacto-free cheese.
This tastes disgusting though.
Well, these don't, and they never will. Even if you use lactose-free cheese, they'll taste incredible. You heard it here first, folks. Never work with kids or animals, and you, Missy, are both.
So are you?
Well, I am. Now, mozzarella, grated, full-flavoured British cheddar. You want to sprinkle the cheddar on first, so that's going to have a lot of fat in it. Not fat, but the flavourful fat is going to seep down, and it's going to help the mozzarella to cook from underneath as it gets hot and bubbly and all melty and crispy, and it's just going to be incredible. It's going to melt down into the sauce, and that's what you want. You want the flavour station, isn't it? It's not bland, mundane station.
It's flavour station.
You don't know the thing. Well, being as you made it this far, I've got to tell you you're an absolute legend. Thanks for watching. Furthermore, if you'd like to drop a comment in the comment section or follow me at flavour_station on Instagram and tell me what you want to see. It's all for you, flavour chasers. Into the oven, 180 for literally 10 minutes, and it will start to look like that, and then that, and it will just be coming out like this with a nice salsa. Ah, what's it look like?
Very nice.
Pizza, tell them.
Pizza.
Pizza pocket, hot pocket, pizza pudding pocket, skins.
Potatoes.
Potato skins. Yeah, bloody.
Flavor Station.